Hello again, Rebecca here. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to my November 2021 How to Kill a Kit with Style kit share. So this is the next set of photos that I would like to get scrapped from my vacation album, and this is just the day that we went. This is part of the beach day and we went to the wildlife aquarium and hung out with some, wild sea life. So those are what I want to do, and this is the kit. So first of all, I guess I'm just going to put everything to the side and we'll go through our papers. This was my inspiration piece because it is so pretty, and it is it's a Hip Kit Club exclusive, and it's artsy rainbow. So that was where my inspiration started. And then I just kind of ran with it from there. So let's get these all on here. I have this Echo Park Splash one. This is pink. Then I have an Echo Park Walking on Sunshine. And I'm just showing you the sides that I intend to use it on. Another Echo Park Splash one. Some more of the Hip Kit Club exclusive for I don't know which month it was. Another Hip Kit Club exclusive super thick paper. Another Hip Kit Club exclusive. Then we have the Echo Park Best Summer Ever. I'm gonna use that side. More Best Summer Ever. Best Summer Ever. This is all the Best Summer Ever. Just going to try to get some of these things, and then we're going to move into the photo play. And this rainbow piece. This yellow piece, another photo play. These are all photo play now. I'm feeling the tropical vibe of that one. I like the blue wave lines. Not really 100% sure on either side of those. It's not like my favorite one, but maybe we'll try to figure something out. And I really don't like this one, but it's part of the kit, so I would like to get it used. And then we have Summer Dreams from Echo Park. Some more Summer Dreams. I like both sides of this one. I have two of this one. So probably just going to use both that side. Hold please, can't get it down. Summer Dreams. Summer Dreams. Some of these may move to the beach portion of the day. We have some cut aparts. Some more of the bikini ones. And then we move into the 12 by 12 sticker sheets. So here's the photo play one. Here's the Best Summer Ever one. And then I have two of the Summer Dreams. So we have those. I want to pull in this Simple Stories Sun Kissed, and I still have this one and this. These are Finnabar Elementals. Got them in a hip kit. I pulled in some of these pink bags. Don't really know where they came from, but I have 4 of them. So since I did such a good job of using all the craft bags up, which FYI, when I cleaned my room out, I found 2 more containers of them. I was really good at using stamps on my layout because I had them in my kits for my October. So I've pulled in this Tutti Frutti Summer Stamp of the Month from Close to My Heart. And we are going to pull in the Simon Says Stamp Vacation Time and the Neat and Tangled Hello Summer. Okay. And then I have these Birch Press 3-piece layering dies. Figured I could get a Punched Out Thursday to Die For out of that. Then I have this really uber super cool, some assemblage required chipboard frame. I'm gonna figure out how to use that. I have the Squeezing in Some Fun collection from Photo Play. I have the Sun-Kissed ephemera. I have some Fancy Pants Designs, a cherry on top. I've used a lot of it, so I'd like to kind of kill that off. And I was really proud of the way I killed off October. So I've got these little wordy bits here. Maybe kill off one or two of those. I have another Some Assemblage Required die cut. The Illustrated Faith Blue Crosses. And these things again. Then I have just this little kit full, this little container. This is just, I don't remember what I ordered it from, but that came in it. I have 2 left. Well, I ordered 3, so I used one on a layout already. These cute little dolphins from Scrapping Reflections. So I'm going to get those used. More Some Assemblage Required. I've used some of these already, but want to use some more. This little guy right here, because we found him in our house pool, and since some of these photos are petting stingrays, I figured he was cute, and we're going to stick him on there. I've pulled these back in from last month's kit, the Happiest Place acrylic hearts and the Happiest Place acrylic stars, the corkboard arrows, some lace doilies, and 4 packs of Spiegel Mom Scrap Sequins. So we have the Wild Whisper Ocean of Teal, the Wild Whisper Patina Finish. Oh, not Wild Whisper. This one's just Patina Finish, not Wild Whisper. I was just in the hang of saying that. We have the Ice Castle and the Skylight. So that is my November 2021 kit. Go ahead and check out all the other links that I have down below of all the other lovelies that are playing along and see what their November kit looks like. I didn't go very fall themed, right? And I probably won't for I probably won't, because I'm doing so many other layouts using these things that I wanted to keep scrapping my vacation album so we don't get into 2021 and I have to like do half of the album, which, you know, I know there's a lot of pictures here left, but we have the aquarium day, which are these, the beach part of the day, then we have Disney days, and we have the family night at the local carnival, and then on our way home. So, I mean, I still have like, what, 5 days to scrap. Yay. Okay, so I'm gonna put this all up and start scrapping. Bye.